What is EDM? Electrical discharge machining is the non-traditional metal processing technique that employs thermal energy instead of mechanical force. It achieves material removal by utilizing the heat generated through discharge between the tool and workpiece electrodes. The processing principle involves connecting one end of the pulse power supply to the machine and the other end to the workpiece, forming an electric field on the workpiece. Under the influence of the electric field, cathode electrons move rapidly towards the anode. Their collision leads to ionization and discharge, generating an instantaneous high temperature of 10,000 degrees Celsius and high pressure of 10 megapascals. This melts and vaporizes the workpiece within the electric field channel. In EDM, both poles of the discharge need to enter a liquid medium. This is mainly done to rapidly cool the melted metal in the liquid, serving the purpose of protecting the workpiece. EDM, compared to traditional machining methods, has numerous advantages. It can process any conductive material, including those high-hardness metals that traditional methods cannot handle. EDM achieves depths that are impossible with cutting tools, making it an ideal method for precision deep processing.